I wanted to try the viral Halloween vase using the Dollar Tree items. I could not find little bat stickers or the little like fishbowl shape vase at Dollar Tree. So I grabbed this. I grabbed some ghosts. They have skeleton heads on there too. And this glass vase at my Dollar Tree. I gave a little wipe down with the alcohol, and then I put these little stickers on here. So these are like little raised stickers. But the ghosts are cute. You have to poke out the little eyes and stuff like that. But the ghosts are cute. I think it would have been real cute because they came in two different colors, the white and then the silver. If I just left it like that, and then maybe filled the vase with like some cute lighting, like some fairy lights or something like that, and then the faux florals. But I wanted to try to see how it would look, trying to do it the ghost way. I didn't spray paint it. I ended up using just some acrylic paint and just like pushing it in there, kind of giving it like a little texture look rather than looking like it was painted. And I made sure I pushed in around the cracks and the corners of the ghost and in the eyes, all that good stuff. I had to end up giving it like 3 coats for this, and I just did it in between. So once one coat dried, I came back in and I did another coat. I didn't paint the bottom of it. Nor did I paint, the inside, of course. I did use a little dryer just to help it go along a little faster. But once everything was dry, I came back in and I peeled off the little stickers. And you can see the ghost. I think maybe this technique works better with smaller little stickers. You can see the ghost, but because of the big space in between, you kind of see like the black in between. I don't know if it makes sense, but these florals I got from Michael's and one from Walmart, under $1 for all these florals. So if you're getting your seasonal florals, make sure you get them from Michael's and from Walmart. But this is how it came out. You can add a little light in there if you wanted to, and then maybe the ghost would be more emphasized because you would see the light reflecting through. But I think when you do this, you definitely do need to use a smaller type sticker.